Hello everyone, this is my review of these travel containers for your toiletries. You can get them in a 4-pack usually. These are made of like a silicone rubber and they seal pretty well. As you can see, I pressed down it and it didn't release. It's still like compressed and sealed, so it seals your solutions or liquids in there pretty well and doesn't leak. And you open it up, you have a little bit of room in there. I mean, it's for travel, so you don't want to have too much fluids in there, so you can make it through your checkpoints for the TSA. But it comes off really easy and goes back on easy. And like I said, it seals, and it's pretty much leak proof unless you happen to put a lot of weight in it to compress it, then it might ooze out. But other than that, I highly recommend these products and they work really well. So I hope this review helps.